Okay, so I have this little loaf in this little bowl here who is ready to get a stretch and fold. Now, stretch and folds happen every hour for 2 to 4 hours, okay? So you have to stretch it at least twice. The max would be 4 times, okay? So I stretch mine about 2 to 3 times. Depends on my day, depends how busy I get, but I always do it at least twice. Once is not enough, okay? So again, you can go ahead and wet your hand. So go ahead and just cover your hand in some water, okay? A clean hand. And then you're going to go ahead and take your, this has already been stretch and fold, so that's why it's starting to look smoother. But you're going to, after 1 hour of waiting for your dough to like do its thing, we're gonna take a corner and we're gonna pull it, okay? Stretch it all out, fold it over, okay? We're gonna turn the bowl, so we're gonna do this at 12, 3, 6, and 9 on a clock. So take it, stretch it all up, fold it over, okay? Turn it again. Take it, stretch it all the way up, fold it over itself, and turn it one more time. Try to video and stretch at the same time. Let's see, stretch it all the way up and fold it over. So you should have this little folded over dough ball now, okay? That's your first set of stretches. See how it doesn't really stick too much to my hand when you wet it? It's really a genius trick. You're going to keep doing that. So take your plastic wrap off and do all that. Now put the plastic wrap back on. You don't need to reset it with a warm cup of water. Just keep that cup of water near it. Cover it back up with plastic wrap, set it aside in that spot in your kitchen, and you're going to come back to it in another hour. So on hour 2, you're gonna take the plastic wrap off, stretch and fold at 12, 3, 6, and 9. Let it sit, cover it back up. Now, you can be done with that, or you can do it 2 more times. It depends on my day to do it 4 times. So twice is the minimum I suggest. Once you've maxed your stretch and folds, you're going to let it sit for about 3 to maybe 4 hours. 3 is ideal. Don't push it more, and don't push it past 4 hours, okay? So on your last stretch and fold, let it sit 3 to 4 hours on the kitchen next to its cup of water, okay? And let it do its thing. It's going to become smooth. It's going to become ready to do your final stretch and folds and put it into a dough ball to let it rise on the counter for the rest of the day in order to bake tomorrow. So that's your first set of stretch and folds. So stay tuned for your next video.